All right, well, praise God. We just got about a Sunday morning service, and we're talking about temperance. So one of the things that I highly encourage you to do is start setting up restraints in your life. Particularly what we're dealing with right now, we're going to be dealing with for at least 2 or 3 more services, is dealing with restraints in the area of sexual purity. Because obviously, if you don't set up restraints in any area of your life, regarding your mouth, regarding your physical body and what you put in it, so on and so forth, eventually, it'll turn into lasciviousness, which is a state of being out of control, or the state of having no restraints at all. It will absolutely destroy people's lives. We've seen this. Tiger Woods is going through a situation right now of what happens. It don't matter how great you are, if you don't have restraints in your life, your greatness will be compromised. Your image will be tarnished. And we're believing God for individuals like that to be restored, so forth. We don't condemn Tiger and all that kind of stuff. We're not using it for that example. But my point is that is an example of what happens. You can be as great as you want to be, but nobody's untouchable when you don't put restraints in your life. It's going to be an awesome, awesome series. You keep tuning in. You keep telling people about what's going on here. You know someone that kind of looks like they're in trouble. Tell them to tune in to what we're going to be dealing with over the next few weeks here